Hey there, Amplifiers. Thanks for tuning in. Question for you. Have you ever had one of those experiences where you just couldn't quite get done all that you were trying to get done? You just ran out of energy? Well, that happens to all of us. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can get more done consuming less energy. So take notes and take action.
Welcome to Growth Amplifiers, where we showcase the best tips, resources, and tools to amplify and scale your business.
You may have heard before that there are only so many hours in a day, and we really can't manage our time, but we can manage our energy. There are actions that we could take that will drain us. It's like sucking the life out of us. And if you do these things continually, maybe they're important, maybe they need to be done, but maybe you don't have to do them. There are also things that you could do that are amplifiers. They give you energy and they really charge you up. And some of the actions we take have an impact. They're moving us forward. And some of the actions we take don't really have much of an impact. They're kind of wasting our time, and we can really eliminate them altogether. Recently, I was connecting with a new client, and when he came to the session where we were connecting, he was so drained. He just looked like the life had been beaten out of him. And we talked about it, and he was telling me all the things that he was doing that just drained the life out of him. Have you ever found yourself doing things that just drain you? They zap your energy? Well, the thing is, we can be more purposeful on where we're putting our time and spend less time in the activities and the actions that drain us or have low impact, and put it more time in the actions that energize us, they amplify us, and have more impact. So we use this energy grid to kind of get a sense of where we're at now. So one way you can get an idea of where you're at now is to track your time for an average day, or maybe a couple days depending on the type of work that you do. And you want to record the different activities you do throughout a day and put them in the different categories. Once you can see where you're putting your time, then you can start optimizing and spending less time on the activities that drain you or have low impact, or put more time in the activities that energize you and have more impact. This is an optimization process. First, you have to have awareness. Then you can start making a distinction on where you're at and where you want to go. And then you can start taking amplified action. So here's an action for you. Track your time for the next few days. This is actually part of the amplified growth system, and it really helps to make sure that you're putting your time and energy to the things that are most important, that fuel you. This is how you get more done in less time. And if you follow this process, you'd want to start delegating more, start automating more, start changing how you're showing up so you can have the benefits of this experience. Now, this will give you more energy, you'll get more things done, and overall, it is so much better. The thing is, some of the tasks that you don't like to do, someone else may really enjoy them. It may be their cup of tea. So once you take the process, you can start taking new actions to achieve new results. So question for you is, what are ways that you energize yourself, your team, those you serve? Share in the comments. I'd love to see the actions that you're taking. And in our next video, we'll be covering 3 tools to focus and align your team so you can get more done with less action. It's all about optimizing and amplifying. Hope to see you there.
To show your support, take a moment to amplify this message by sharing it online. To connect with me or gain more business growth insights, visit www.growthamplifiers.com. Thank you for your support.